As unfortunate as the attacks on Saudi Arabia's oil facilities at Abqaiq might be, for some oil-producing countries, it's an opportunity to ramp up production and take advantage of the current global spike in the price of oil and the supply gap left by the Saudis. It's especially so for oil producers in Africa, whose national budgets have been decimated by low oil prices. Here's CGTN's Deji Badmus with the details.
Virtually all African oil producers will be following very keenly developments in Saudi Arabia over the attack on that country's oil facilities. From Nigeria to Angola, the Republic of Congo to Equatorial Guinea, Gabon to South Sudan, and other smaller oil-producing countries in Africa, the Saudi attack is a big deal, an opportunity to rake in more revenue from the sale of crude as prices go up. One country where the situation could make a huge difference is Nigeria, where oil accounts for a very significant part of government revenue. Prices had trended below the country's budget benchmark of $60 per barrel just before the Saudi attack. But that has now changed following the incident, with prices surging, prompting talks of a possible upward adjustments in the budget benchmark.
For now, it's a one-off event, so we will be monitoring the situation. If it becomes sustainable, then there might be need to adjust. But for now, we'll maintain the benchmark rates that we have established in the budgets and the budget proposal for 2020.
If Saudi Arabia, that has very sophisticated security systems, is affected in this manner, it means we are also vulnerable. So let us not be in a hurry to celebrate. And like the Minister of State said, we should also not be in a hurry to adjust our revenues.
It remains to be seen how far oil prices could go in the current surge. On Monday, prices closed 15% higher on a record trading day, with the Brent crude surging more than $11 per barrel at one point. With the potential of a likely U.S.-Iran conflict arising from this attack, some analysts expect prices to continue to go up in the short to medium term. It's now up to the African oil producers like Nigeria to take advantage and make the best out of the prevailing situation in the global oil market. Deji, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.